Okay, so I got this question asking, do you have to actually buy something every month or do you need to make payments? So I made a video before teaching you all how you can boost your credit score over 100 points, and potentially, like, my credit score went up 37 points, somebody else's went up 74 points. A lot of people see a great increase in a credit score, but you can boost your credit score a lot of points by getting a Kikoff account. And it was asking, do we have to just purchase something every month, or what they have to do. So let me tell you exactly what I did to get my credit score to go up using the Kikoff account. So first off, I have two different type of accounts with Kikoff. I have the credit builder loan, and then I have the Kikoff credit. Now, I'm guessing they're talking about the Kikoff credit, which is this one down here. So the Kikoff credit is a $500 account, and that they're going to report to the credit bureau. So they're going to report you have a $500 account, and they're only going to report it for Equifax and Experian. They're not going to report it for TransUnion. But what you have to do is you have to buy something. So before, let me show you my purchase history. So let's go down to transaction history. So first I bought a $10 ebook, and then I bought another, I paid the $10 on it that same day I purchased it. I wouldn't recommend that. Don't pay it off. You want to pay it slowly. You don't get charged any interest or anything like that. But I paid it off that same day, and then I'm guessing I made a video December 6th. So I purchased something else for $20, and I got on the auto payment. So an auto payment was $2 per month. And then I purchased a $24, and that $24, it was actually the membership, and then I'm still on the auto payment from that point forward. And now with that membership, it's going to allow you to get the loan. So I suggest that you all just get the membership. You don't have to purchase an ebook. As far as I'm concerned, you don't have to. You can just go ahead and just purchase the membership and pay the $2 per month, and then report that $500 credit line to Equifax and Experian. And you can see right here, I have different things set up. So my next payment is due in 24 days. They're taking off my taking off my debit card, and my due date is going to be the 25th of every month. So my next payment is due July 25th. If I want to, I can pay it now. So I can click pay now, and I can pay it ahead of time if I wanted to. But I'm going to just leave it just like that. But if you all want this $500 credit line, you can see right here, the total credit limit is $500. If you want that reported to your credit reports, all you have to do is just sign up for their yearly membership, which is actually, I don't know if they went up, because they did say that they were going up. So it's probably $60 a year now, but at first it was $24 a year. Double check by signing up. I have my link on my website, All Things Rickita. So definitely sign up for that Kikoff account, and they'll report that $500 credit account. Let me see if I can go to the order center and see. Yeah, so I look like I bought some things. So you can see right here, I actually bought the Kikoff credit service, which is $24. And I bought an ebook too. I never even read it. I guess I should read it. But yeah, these are the things that I bought, and then my statements are all here. So all of my statements are here. But basically, I am paying a piece of it every month, and it's on auto payment. So my next payment is going to be $2.63, and it is going to be due July 25th. Now, the credit builder loan, that's for you guys if you don't have like an installment account. If you want to see your credit score go up even more, I suggest you guys sign up for the credit builder loan. And with this one, they're going to report an installment account to your credit reports. So they're going to report that you have a $120 installment account, and you're paying $10 per month. So far, I paid $50 into it, and you have to pay $10 per month, which is 12 months. So $120 will go back in your account after the 12 months of paying it. You're not getting charged any interest. I am getting charged 50 cents more though. They're charging me 50 cents because I'm linking my debit card and not my bank account. If I link my bank account, then I would not be charged that 50 cents that they are charging me. But they're actually reporting this account to all three credit bureaus, which is a good thing. So this one is actually being reported to all three credit bureaus, unlike the other account, that $500 revolving account. That one is only being reported to 2 credit bureaus. And after I finish paying this off, they're going to give me my $120 back. This is very similar to the self account that I told you all about before, but this is very similar to that one. They're reporting to the credit bureaus every month after you pay it off after the 12 months or 24 months. For self, you can go all the way up to 24 months. They're going to give you your money back, but with this one, they're not charging you any interest at all. So definitely, if you need an installment account, this may be a great one for you. And you can see right here, I started, my first payment was in January 28th, and then it went on from there. I guess I paid my payment early because you can see it's a gap. It's not a payment for February. I guess I just made my payment early on this account. But you can see too, there's no, your APR is 0. The monthly finance charge is $0. So that is really good, you all. And when you sign up for this, you all, I know, and I think it's 2 different states. I don't want to quote those states, but they don't allow you to be able to use the Kikoff account. Hopefully, they're going to fix that, but definitely try to sign up. But understand too, when you sign up for it, this Kikoff account used to be a free account, and now it's no longer free, but it can still help boost your credit score, because if you are unable to get credit cards, then you definitely can try to see if you can get these accounts here, because they'll report to the credit bureaus. Now, I want you all to go to my website. Let me see if I can put it in all things. Go to my website, All Things Rickita, and go to credit accounts. And then you'll see that Kikoff account right here. The $500 credit account is the 4th one right here. So you can click right there and you can click open. And this is their website here. So they're saying that they can help you build your credit, no credit pull. They're not going to pull your credit at all, which is really good. So definitely try to see if you can apply for it, and let me know if you actually sign up for the Kikoff account, and let me know if it actually increased your credit score. Everybody is different depending on what your credit scores are. If your credit score is over I would say if your credit score is over like a 600 or 620, I wouldn't even bother with it, because your credit score may drop from adding a new account. If you do not have accounts on your credit reports and you need to get accounts added to your credit reports, I'm going to show you different accounts you can apply for on my website. But what you want to do is just you want to sign up for it. And actually saying too, they'll report a $750 line. So maybe if you sign up for one of the new accounts, maybe you'll get a $750 line that they'll report to the credit bureaus. And yeah, you have to make monthly payments of $5 per month. So yes, they did go up on their things. I said that earlier, they may have went up. So it's not $2 per month. Now it's $5 per month. And then you can set up the auto payment and just watch your credit grow. Now, as your credit grow, you may not need to keep this account, but do not close this account until your credit score has officially grown and, you had a good spot with your credit. Now, let me go back to the All Things Rickita. Here we are here. If you need to boost your credit, I have a few accounts here where if you have bad credit, you'll be okay to get this. So if you need to get secure credit cards, maybe you want to start with the credit builder card, this here. You can get the credit builder card. And you can also, I showed you the Kikoff. If you are renting a house, definitely sign up for the Rental Karma. Like, that's a no-brainer. Definitely sign up for the Rental Karma. And they said they report all your past rent for $50, no contract, cancel anytime, no credit check. That is amazing, you guys. That's like an installment account. And when you're trying to purchase a house, when you're trying to get credit cards, any way you can boost your credit score, you should try to take it, even if it's only 10, 15, 20 points. You just never know how much your credit score is going to increase, but try different ways to get your credit score to go up by applying for different accounts. You also have the Credit Strong that's here. That's an installment account. And a few credit cards that can pre-qualify you is Capital One, Navy Federal, Discover. Open Sky is a secure credit card. That's not going to be a credit check at all. If you need to get a secure credit card, definitely check them out. You can start with a $200 limit. You can also have the Credit One Bank. They can pre-qualify you without a credit check. Mission Lane, they can pre-qualify you without a credit check. And when I say pre-qualify you without a credit check, let me show you what that means. That means that you can click right here where it says, see if I'll be approved. you go ahead and click right there and see if you will be approved. And they said they can check you. You can check your eligibility before applying without a hard credit pull. So they're going to let you know if you're going to be able to be approved. You just put all your information in, and they'll let you know if they can be able to give you a credit card. If they can, go ahead and accept it. But if they don't give you an offer, then you don't apply for it. You don't get that hard credit check. So definitely try that and see if that's going to work for you. You also have the TUMO, which is going to be a pre-qualification, no credit check. They're going to actually look into your banking account. Some people said you need to have at least $1,000 in your account before you try to apply for that, but they can approve you all the way up to $10,000 without a credit check. I have my credit membership. I teach you guys about how to remove negative accounts from your credit reports, how to boost your credit scores, how to clear your banking accounts if you can't get a bank account. I teach you all that within the credit membership, so definitely sign up for that. Prosper is pre-qualified without a credit check. The Milestone, Indigo, Destiny. So there's so many of them on here that you can pre-qualify without a credit check, so definitely check that out. I hope this was helpful to you all with showing you that Kikoff account. But on my website, I have so many different credit cards, so many different accounts. If you want to do buy now, pay later, I have that. Utilization credit cards, I have that for you all too. Personal loans, if you're trying to get personal loans, definitely check out the personal loans here. And then all the credit cards where you can pre-qualify without a hard inquiry, I have them here also. So let me know if you have that Kikoff account. Let me know if you got approved for any other accounts. And let me know if this video was actually helpful to you all. I'll see you guys in the next video.